Hello, hi, hello, my grade 3 brilliant boys and girls. Welcome back to another exciting mathematics class. So, do we know whose birthday it is today? Yes, boys and girls, it's Malachi's birthday, and we all know when we have a birthday what we do. Okay, boys and girls? So, boys and girls, we said today is Malachi's birthday. So, let's sing happy birthday for Malachi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Malachi. Happy birthday to you. So, boys and girls, Malachi's mommy is going to bring cake for us. So, boys and girls, Malachi mommy brought a cake so that we can share it to everyone. So, boys and girls, are we seeing this lovely chocolate cake? So, can anyone tell me how can we share this cake equally among all of us? Yes, Emily? Emily's saying we can cut it in half. Can we cut it in half and all of us get, Emily? Try again. So, Peter is saying we can cut it in quarters. Okay, Peter. But will quarters be enough for all of us to share? No. Come on. So Malcolm is saying we can cut it in eighths. Okay. So boys and girls, I heard you saying half, a quarter, and eighths. Can you tell me what are those? Correct, Jacob. They're fractions. So boys and girls, today we'll be looking at fractions in words. Okay, my boys and girls. So we said that today we'll be looking at fraction in words. Are we seeing this? Fraction in words. So Malachi's mommy brought a cake, but we need to share it equally to everyone. So I heard my boys and girls calling some fractions. So let's look at it. Are we seeing this pink? What is the pink? Yes, Jacob, a whole. Correct. Are we seeing the green? The green is? Yes, Peter. Peter is saying the green is half of a whole. Are we seeing that? We're seeing the pink and then the green is half. So we have 1, 2. The green is half of the pink. So we have 2 halves make 1 whole. Let's go to the blue. The blue is quarters. Correct, Jacob. Are we saying that there's 2 quarters make 1 half? Are we seeing that? Come on, boys and girls, look at this. 2 quarters make 1 half. So that means that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters make 1 whole. Correct, Susan. And we're moving to the yellow. What is the yellow? Samantha is saying 1/8. Correct, Samantha. So let's count. We're seeing that. Yes, Susan. Susan is saying 4/8 make a quarter. Brilliant, boys and girls. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we seeing that, boys and girls? 4/8 make 2 quarters. So that means if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, Malachi mommy brought a whole cake. So that means if we divide the cake in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if we divide the cake in 8 of you brilliant boys and girls will get a piece. And Malachi mommy brought 2 cakes. If we cut this cake in 8 pieces, 8 of you can get it. So it's 16 of us in this classroom. So if we cut both cakes in 8, we'll have 16 pieces. Boys and girls, you're saying a whole, a halves, quarters, 1/8. But do we know to spell these? Let's look at it, boys and girls. So we're saying that these fractions that we all were calling can be written in words. So let's look at the words. Boys and girls, we said that the pink is 1 whole. So right here we have 1 whole. Are we seeing that, boys and girls? What did we say the green is? Yes, Susan. Susan is saying half. So right here we have 1/2. Say it with me. 1/2. Okay. Yes, Omar. Omar is saying that the blue is quarter. Are we seeing that, boys and girls? Come on, pay attention. The blue is quarter. So right here we have 1/4. One more time, 1/4. And yes, J.U. is saying the yellow is 8. So right here we have 1/8. So boys and girls, I need us to say it once more. We have 1 whole, 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8. So boys and girls, you can write these words and it will mean the same as these fractions. Are we seeing that, boys and girls? You need to pay. Okay, my boys and girls. So I cut the cake in half. Are we seeing? So can you tell me which one is 1/2? Yes, Daniel. Daniel is saying the green. Seeing that we have 1/2. Correct, boys and girls. But here we can only have 2 pieces. But it's 8 of you in group A and 8 of you in group B. But we cannot share in half. Okay, boys and girls. So I cut the cake once more. Can anyone tell me what did I cut the cake into? Yes, Melanie. Melanie is saying I cut the cake in quarters. So how many quarters do I have here? 4. Correct, Jacob. So we're saying that 4 quarters make 1 whole. Correct, Mariah. Can we see 1/4 on the fractional chart? 1/4 in the blue. So can this be shared among 8 of you equally? No, boys and girls. So we have to cut it once more. Okay, boys and girls. So I cut the cake once more. Okay, boys and girls. So Stefan is saying we have 8 pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So group A can have their 8 pieces because there are 8 of you in that group. And remember I said Malachi mommy brought 2 cake. So we're gonna divide the next chocolate cake for group B. So boys and girls, we divided the cake in 8 equal parts. So boys and girls, can we remember the word 1/8? Yes, Jacob, you can remember? Okay, so since all of my brilliant boys and girls can remember, it's activity time. Okay, group A, I have 4 fractions and I would like you to write the fraction in words correctly. So group A, here's your worksheet. And group B, I have some fractions and I need you to match the correct fraction to the correct word. Okay, group B? So you have 5 minutes to do so. Time's up, time's up, everybody, time's up. So group A and B, are we finished with that little task? So can anyone from group A volunteer their worksheet? Okay, Brandon would like to volunteer his worksheet. So just a reminder, group A had to write the words of 4 fractions. So for 1 whole, he wrote the right word. For 1/2, correct the right word. For 1/4, he wrote the correct word. And for 1/8, he wrote 1/8. Good job, group A and Brandon. So from group B, would anyone like to volunteer their worksheet? I think Joseph would like to volunteer his worksheet. So, just a reminder, group B had to match the words of the fraction to its correct format. So, I'm seeing here, he matched 1/4 to 1/4. He matched 1/2 to 1/2. He matched 1/8 to 1/8. And he matched 1 whole correctly. So give him a clap and all the members of group B. So my boys and girls, we've learned today that fractions can be written in words. So I would like you to go home and you find 2 words of 2 other fractions. So we're going to look for our next fraction and we're going to write it. Okay, boys and girls? So, adios.